Fireplaces do not belong inside your home, and here's what to do instead. I understand the desire to make things warm and cozy or have a TV above your fireplace, but having a fireplace, gas, wood burning, or a traditional type of fireplace is one, gonna leave a penetration in your roof, two, is going to potentially negatively impact your indoor air quality, especially if it's gas or wood burning, and three, that's just one more puncture in your building enclosure. So what to do instead? Move that wood burning fireplace to the outside. And two, if you're considering a fireplace inside and it's something you really want, consider going with electric.